360 ProScan was hired by a major hospital network to create a digital twin for a few areas within a hospital. These areas include a patient floor with staff support offices, a solarium for patients and visitors, and phase 1 of an active construction site. This space is about 25,000 square feet, and the purpose of this capture is to plan future renovation, construction, and maintenance projects. The objective was to provide remote access to the space for all project stakeholders, including project managers, architects, engineers, contractors, and hospital support staff, all without disrupting hospital operations or requiring repeated site visits. Navigating a Matterport space is very simple. You have the showcase view that allows you to walk around the job site as if you're in Google Street View. You just simply click anywhere throughout the space to move around, and you click and drag the mouse to look around. You can also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out to get a closer look at things, such as identification tags on an electrical panel, or to look at elements inside of an open ceiling space. The next navigation tool is the Dollhouse view. The Dollhouse view gives you a full 3D perspective of the space, letting you see how all the rooms and areas connect. It's especially useful when you're planning work because you can see how different parts of the job site relate to each other. Once your Matterport model is captured, you can add elements to turn it from a simple 3D walkthrough into a powerful project tool. Together, we're going to explore the highlight reel, how to add tags, using the measurement mode, and creating views for different users. The highlight reel lets you guide people through the model by creating a series of saved viewpoints. It works like a slideshow inside the 3D space, making it easy to walk team members through key areas in a set sequence. It's especially useful for onboarding new project stakeholders, quickly transferring essential information or referring back to key items. It also supports better planning by linking visuals directly to work areas and priorities. Next, we'll talk about tags. Tags let you attach extra information directly onto the 3D model. In the context of a project you're managing, tags can let you label key areas and assets, like equipment rooms, electrical panels, or mechanical systems, so you and your team can easily identify what's relevant to your scope of work. Once tags have been created in a Matterport model, you can view them simply by navigating through the space. As you move through the model, any tags that are in view will appear as clickable icons. Just click on a tag to open it. This can display text notes, links, images, and videos, depending on what was added. Tags stay anchored to their exact location in 3D space, making it easy to reference important details as you explore the model. It's a simple way to give context and keep key information where it's actually needed. The measurement mode lets you take accurate measurements inside the model. It's especially useful when planning moves, whether it's relocating staff, office furniture, or medical equipment. Clicking on the measurements toolbar automatically shows the room's length, width, and height. You can also manually measure between 2 points. These measurements are saved automatically and can be labeled for future reference. Being able to take measurements directly within the model saves significant time and reduces the need for extra site visits. Lastly, you can set up different views or layers depending on who you're sharing the model with. Using layers for specific stakeholders helps you, as the project manager, show each group only what they need to see. For example, one layer could be used internally to review maintenance items, while another might focus on security concerns. Each layer can include its own set of tags, highlight reels, and measurements, all kept separate. This keeps every view clean, focused, and relevant to the stakeholders using it. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview on how Matterport digital twins can help you and your project team plan your next construction project. I will see you in the next one.